All right, number 3 is more practice with filling in a frequency table when you're given a certain amount of data, but not everything. So these kind of cascade nicely. This would be a great one for you to try on your own to see if you're ready to tackle the practice. So let's do that. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can fill in the blank cells here, and I will catch up with you. All right, hopefully you pause the video and try on your own so you can just check your work with mine, see if you have any misconceptions, or see if you're ready to practice on your own. And the first cell that we can fill in here is actually this first one, because we have every piece of data in that row except for the Texas data. So we're going to do I'm going to do 230 minus all the other points that we have there. So 230 minus 84 minus 64 minus 44, and that is 38. All right, now that we have that piece of data, that kind of fills in things for us. We can also find our big total by adding the 230 and the 170. Need a plus in between there. And so we pulled 400 students total. Now that we have that number, we can find this one right here. We can do 400 minus every other number we see in that row. So we're doing 400 minus 134 minus 82 minus 94, and we get 90. 2 more pieces of data to fill in. Both of them are in the girls row. We can fill them in even though they're in the same row. For this cell here, Girls California, we're going to do 134 minus 84. And we get 50. And for the Girls Florida, we're going to do 94 minus 44 to get the cell in the middle there. And we get 50 there. So the relative frequency table, again, is going to give you those percentages. So please pause the video and get those percentages done, and then I will write them down for you. All of our denominators are going to be, on this problem, are going to be 400. So that's what you're putting in the calculator. You're doing, for this first one, you're doing 84 divided by 400, and you're writing that down. So go ahead and do that, and I'll write these numbers for you. All right, I'm really hoping at this point you're checking your work. You should have done 0.21 for Boys California, 0.125 for Girls California, and 0.335 for the total there. If you're rounding to 2 digits, that's fine as well. I'm filling in the rest for you so you can check your work. Oops, I'm sorry. 0.11 and 0.205, 0.16. Our Florida column. And our total column. All right, please let Mrs. McGrath or myself know if you need any help or need help with the practice, and we would be happy to do that.